Tired of spending all your time smelting ores by hand? Well, get ready to ditch the drudgery because today, we're building a super efficient auto smelter that works on both Minecraft Bedrock and Java. First, we need to gather our resources. You will need building blocks, chests, hoppers, furnaces, and fuel. I recommend using stone bricks or any block you have a lot of. Begin by placing down a row of 3 chests. These will be our output chests, where the smelted items will accumulate. Now, place a row of 3 hoppers behind the chests, all facing into the chests. Crouch while placing them to ensure they connect correctly. Next, place 3 furnaces on top of the hoppers. These are where the magic happens. Behind the furnaces, place another row of 3 hoppers, all facing into the back of the furnaces. These hoppers will feed the ore and other items into the furnaces. Now, place a row of chests on top of these hoppers. These will be the input chests for your ores and other items. For the fuel, place another row of hoppers on the sides of the furnaces, all facing into the furnaces again. Make sure you are crouching when placing them. Place chests on top of these side hoppers. These chests will hold your fuel, like coal or wood. And there you have it. Your super auto smelter is complete. Now you can fill the top chests with ore, the side chests with fuel, and watch as your smelted goods automatically flow into the bottom chests. For added efficiency, you can expand this design vertically or horizontally to create an even larger smelting array. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials.